to Delicious Hugs. And today we are making no churn sugar cookie ice cream. Start by chopping your favorite sugar cookie and your favorite white chocolate candy. Then you're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and you're going to beat that until soft peaks begin to form. This process will take about 3 minutes. It's the season for giving, so go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Also add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And you're also going to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This will give your ice cream some sweetness and flavor. Simply mix until combined. Add those soft peaks to the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla, and then gently fold. Once you fold those 2 together, go ahead and add your white chocolate candy and those sugar cookies. Continue to gently fold. Take your container, or as you see, I'm using a loaf pan. Spread half of the ice cream mixture, and then you're going to add 1 layer of the sprinkles. Add the other half of the ice cream mixture, and make sure you spread evenly in your pan or your container. And then simply go in with another layer of those sprinkles. Cover your ice cream and place it in the freezer for 4 hours or overnight. It should come out solid and look like this. Go ahead and get a nice big scoop. It's creamy, it's rich, it's festive, it is delicious. Go ahead and take a bite. You know you want to. And that's it. No churn sugar cookie ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Season's greetings. Bye-bye.